This is a J-hook quick release mount. So I put on my action camera, okay, into it. Then I attach to my motorcycle to do the video recording. Okay, not sure that is it stable or the video recording is very shaky. So let's go. Let's have a look. Base buckle ready on my motorcycle. Just slot in. Yeah, there is. The road surface actually is okay. Maybe my motorcycle got shaky. Now come to this road, the road surface is not so good, and you can see the shaking is more compared to just now. If I ride motorcycle slowly, the video is still okay. Now I speed and see the result. Yeah, shaky, but the rest is okay. I saw the junction look like the shaky not so bad. Yeah, should be my motorcycle. Anyway, consider shaky. Then what do you think? Next video I'm going to show you this neck mount bracket to see how's the video outcome. Okay.